So Gold is my new novel, and it's a story about the extremity of sickness and of health. When it came time to write this novel, I always think, what's the biggest story I can tell? What's the biggest story I can tell that shows this thing I'm trying to show in all of my work, which is that life is good and humans are mostly kind to each other, and with very rare exceptions we can make a kind of heaven on earth. This is what my stuff's about, and people misunderstand it and think I'm a writer of these very sad stories. So I wanted to write something that was joyful, and I wanted to write about how much people will sacrifice of their ambition in order to care for the people they love. So I did two kinds of research, because I was interested in the extremes of sickness and health. I looked at athletes. I interviewed athletes. I went on bike rides with athletes and got terribly burned. And on the other extreme, I did some of the most fascinating research I've ever done. I went to Great Ormond Street Hospital for Sick Children in London, and I was allowed to shadow a doctor who was working with children with leukemia. When you read Gold, you see that I've taken a child who has leukemia and I've made her the daughter of these two unbelievably good professional athletes, and what I've done is I've put these two worlds together, the extremity of health and the extremity of sickness, to show what happens when the thing that we all live in, when our body, when it goes really right or really wrong. It's these extremes of life that I'm talking about in the novel. Gold, it's about people's quest for sporting gold, and it's about a different kind of gold that they discover in their lives. It's about a real value that they come to discover in the relationship that they have with each other. I'm really excited about it. I think it's a very different kind of story, and for anyone who reads it, I hope they'll really enjoy it.